A cockatoo! What color? From the Arizona bird.
You can dive to a pawpaw, so it can be.
Guys, when should we get Maddie's bird?
Today.
Right now?
Yeah.
Let's go! Huh? Okay, a couple things have to happen first. Couple things. First, Henry, show us. Look at Henry's loop he got. Come show us. I mean, Soren's loop. Soren, show us how your loop works. Come, give us a demonstration. Okay, let Henry do it. Either one. Ready? Go! That work for you?
Yeah. And when those 2 weeks pass, I would handle them more often. So you can try.
Okay, we're here. Maddie in the car. We're now taking Sapphire, is his name, back home.
I don't have to take it to the vet ever, do I?
No. We just have a 1 week check back with them to check its weight. See if it's
that book was so beautiful. Whoa, Dada! Whoa, you go! Hannah likes the bird, and they made my tasty birdies.